It's a bit rainy and it's hardly no wind. There's thunder far away. This might not be the best sailing weather. It's maybe time to turn on the motor and sheet a little, I think. But if I turn on the motor, I won't hear the thunder, and maybe that's smarter to know where it comes from. It's probably over there, or there, and where I am going to. My destination seemed quite good weather, so, or, well, a bit lighter. But I am using my new sailing outfit for the first time. It's a bit big. It's so big that I can have this underneath. I found this little bay. I think that's enough sailing for today. It's really good to be inside and in the calm bay. I am so dizzy, I was so nervous, and because I haven't eaten as low blood sugar, I think you say, blodsocker, and I think I have to look a bit later on, look at the anchor, see if it's okay, but time for lunch, but I realized my bread is a bit wet. Lunch. I decided to change place because for just 5 minutes ago the wind came directly in here, and I think that actually the anchor moved because I'm closer to the shore now. There are good places around here, so I'll go there with by motor, of course.